What's up, class? Today we are gonna do some math. So, class, what is 5 plus 5? The answer is 10. Correct, Green. You got the answer correct. Why do we have to do math? You know I hate math. Yellow, stop with the bad attitude or else you will get the detention. Fine, whatever. Ugh, I hate math so much. Mr. Teacher is so annoying. What should I do? Aha, I have a great idea. I might go ask the teacher if I can go to the bathroom. Mr. Teacher, can I please use the restroom? Of course, Yellow, you can go to the bathroom. Be right quick. Okay, Mr. Teacher, see you later. I'm going to the bathroom. Just kidding, I won't go to the bathroom. I have a great idea. I'm going to pull the firearm so I can skip math. Alright, teacher, I'm back on grass. Beep, beep, beep. Oh no, guys, that's a firearm. We need to hurry quick. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. The firearm has been ended. Hi, everyone. The firearm has been ended, and the firearm was fake. So, guys, let's go back to class. Alright, guys, let's go back to class. Alright, guys, we can't do math because since that was a fake firearm. So we are going to do ELA. Attention, everyone. Yellow. I need Yellow immediately to the principal office. Yellow, you have to go to the principal office. Oh, okay. Bye, Mr. Teacher. Bye, Yellow. Mr. Principal, why did you send me to the principal office? What did you do? Because you pulled the firework. How do you know? I checked the cameras. And second of all, why would you do that? And that costs a lot of money. And I'm calling your parents. No, please don't. Too late. And I don't care. Hello? This is Yellow Principal. Your son had pulled the firearm and he's suspended for 1 month. I'm calling your parents and you are going to get suspended for 1 month. Yellow, how dare you pull the firearm? It costs a lot of money. Now the owner of the school has to pay money. I'm sorry, I just don't want to do math. That's why, and I wanted to skip this subject. How dare you? And that's it. You know what, Yellow? You're grounded for 1 month and you can't play Roblox. Oh, you can't go to your friend's house and play Talking Tom during that time. Go to your room right now or else you are grounded for 2 months instead of 1. Fine, whatever. You're so annoying, guys.